Solved. How to fix Psychonauts 2 keeps crashing on Windows PC? 1. Make sure your PC meets the minimum requirements. Upgrade your hardware if needed. 2. Update your graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Verify the integrity of game files in Steam library. 4. Launch the game in DX11 mode, enter DX11 under Steam launch options. 5. Check your firewall and antivirus settings, ensure your security app allows Psychonauts 2 through its settings. 6. Reinstall Psychonauts 2.